Hello again, everyone. Where do I start? Today, I want to tell you a story about a young man that I met. Actually, we have met, but I came in contact with him first when he came to Etsy and bought one of my hot pepper sauces. I sell hot pepper, scotch bonnet pepper sauce on Etsy. So he bought like 3 the first time. And the next time he bought 3. Anyway, between 2022 and now, I haven't counted, but it's about 5 or 6 orders that he has made, and it's multiple. Each time it's multiple. The last time, which was earlier this year, he bought 8. So this is him and his wife in the Blue Mountains of Jamaica, because he loves Jamaica and he loves all things Jamaican. And you're gonna see how later on in the video when I show you some other stuff. It's very interesting, but he cooks the most delicious foods, and it's mostly spicy. He cooks Thai, he cooks a lot of different foods, but he loves Jamaican hot food. I don't know, he cooks a lot of jerk. He jerks everything, and you're gonna see some stuff he jerks. It's crazy. I'm taking example off of him, of his cooking, I should say. I'm taking example of his cooking with some stuff, because I never thought of jerking. Anyway, I won't tell you. You'll see. All right. So further on in the video, I will come on and tell you more stuff. Okay? All right. So now, guys, meet Kevin and Maureen. Maureen is Kevin's wife, and this is them in the Blue Mountains of Jamaica at a resort, enjoying the weather, the scenery, the flowers, everything. Kevin loves all things Jamaican. Eats spicy food, cooks spicy food, cook all the jerk. He jerks everything, as I mentioned. So, yeah, this is them. He said he's been to Jamaica a couple of times. And, you know, man, he knows more about Jamaica than I do sometimes. Because I'm going to show you a picture that Kevin sent. Yes, later on in the video, I'll show you that picture. So you're looking here at some of Kevin's favorite sauces. You can see Grace Browning, pick pepper sauce, and of course beside that is my scotch bonnet pepper sauce that I sell on Etsy. As I said, I don't have any now. So the first dish we're looking at here is jerk chicken pizza. Jerk chicken pizza. Have you ever made one? I've never made one. Now I'm gonna make one. Never thought of doing a jerk chicken pizza. But it's something that we should do, and maybe they have it in Jamaica by now. But this is jerk chicken, Kevin's jerk chicken pizza. And the next one we're gonna come up on here is jerk pork tenderloin. Jerk pork tenderloin. So this is pork tenderloin, and he jerk it. And look, it's so sliced, and it looks so beautiful and delicious and mouth watering. My mouth is watering, yes. Next up is Kevin's jerk chicken wings, and he likes to serve it with a side of mango, you know, sliced mango, pieces of mango. I guess it helps to take off the heat, but you know, we Jamaican, we don't care about the heat. We eat it. We never thought of putting mangoes with it or eating. Maybe we drink some sorrel or something, or some ginger beer, you know. Anyway, this is his recipe right here for the jerk wings, and it's a long recipe, and he uses it for his oxtail also, similar dressings. He uses a lot of Jamaican seasonings and hot pepper sauces and mix them together and make his own seasoning. So after Kevin placed his 3rd order, I think it was, I said, man, this Jamaican guy, he knows, he's into stuff, you know. So I sent him a message, because all the time, you know, you say thank you and so on when somebody places an order, but I decided to send him a message. I said, I wonder if he wants to do his own scotch bonnet pepper. So I sent him a message saying, do you want some pepper seeds? What are you growing? And so on. All along, I still thought he was Jamaican. And he didn't know this. He's gonna find this out for the very first time. I thought he was Jamaican until I got this video. He sent me pictures of some recipes and dishes And then he sent me this picture. This picture. So this is the first picture I've ever seen of Kevin. He had sent me some pictures of food, and I think on this one he's standing over some oxtail. And this is the first time I knew what he looked like. Knocked me over with a feather. And Kevin, I know you're finding out for the first time that I didn't know that you weren't Jamaican. This is how you're finding out, because I never told you that. So one of the first dishes that Kevin sent to me was his oxtail. This is oxtail that he seasoned brown, just like we do it, and then he cooks it and makes the gravy. And he has a special sauces and spices that he uses. Of course, it's hot pepper, mostly scotch bonnet and hot pepper sauce. And he makes it and shreds the oxtail and then mixes it with pasta and pours sauce over it. That's good. Don't think I've ever tried that also. But he really browns the meat and fixes it up nicely, just like we do. Somebody must have been teaching him. This is jerk sablefish. You hear me? Jerk sablefish. All right. Need I say more? With tacos. He serves it with tacos also. And this one is coconut lemongrass curry chicken. That's supposed to be good. And if you don't know what lemongrass is, we call it fever grass, for those of you who don't know. This is Kevin's tomatillo chicken. And a lot of us Jamaicans don't know what tomatillo is. But I'm going to show you them at the end. You see them in the supermarket or the markets and you don't know what they are. And I think it's from Mexico. But anyway, this is tomatillo chicken and this is the recipe right here. And he blends some of it. The recipe shows you that he blends some of it, shred the chicken and fix it with the sauce. And this is what it comes out. You can eat it with rice or tacos or anything you want to put it on. The next dish here is grilled steak with crying tiger sauce. So this is a crying tiger sauce. I had to do a little research on that because I had no idea what it looked like. So I had to do a little research and this is it. This is crying tiger sauce. Of course it's hot and spicy. He likes everything spicy. I don't know how he manages it. It's Kevin's Peruvian grilled red snapper. So it's a red snapper, just like we like it, but he grills it with Peruvian flavors. I have no idea what that tastes like, but I would love to taste it. So this is Kevin's jerk red snapper. So it's a red snapper fish and he jerks it. And he jerks it with with broiled jerk potato. Okay? You ever jerk potato yet? How many of you have ever jerked potato? Never. I have never done it. And Kevin has jerk potato. So this is something for us to try. Maybe if you did, you can post below. Thanks. This delightful looking dish is Kevin's take on branzino. It's steamed grilled branzino fish, and he does it two ways. So here it's two ways. And this put a picture in here showing you what branzino fish look like, because I'm not familiar. But it's just another fish. I'd love to taste it. By now, Kevin has a name for all his dishes, and this one is Jamaican curry chicken bowl. And he serves this in a bowl. Looks so pretty. Just like he's into Jamaican food, Kevin is also into Thai food. So all of these dishes here are Thai foods, Thai flavored foods. And this is
what is it called, kaffir lime tree that he uses. He mostly uses the leaves for soup and curries and sauce, and he toasts it and turn it into powder also. This is Thai pork shoulder noodle soup. These are all Thai dishes coming up here until we get to what Kevin is growing to put in his food. Coming up here, this is a chicken salad. It's called a lab. And this is how he does it. He's explaining there how he uses clam sauce for salad dressing and how he mixes it. Looks delicious, and he serves it on lettuce leaves in this case. And this is the clam sauce. Looks so attractive. Like you could just eat it like that. This is Thai miso soup, and it's made with sable fish. I guess you could use any fish that you want, in it. But it looks so delicious, so attractive, colorful. I love it. I need some right now. Don't you? This dish here is a Thai mussel dish. Is your mouth watering? Is your mouth watering yet? And it seems like he has toasted bread of some kind over there. Very attractive dish. Tasty looking and healthy looking dish. This is Kevin's cilantro, basil, and mint patch that he has in the back. This is called a tuna crudo, and it's a nod, I guess, to the Japanese style of eating. Mostly raw fish, most times cured with lime or vinegar or something like that, and seasoned. Very good. Yeah, see? Olive oil, salt, acid, and yeah, that's what it consists of. So it's seasoned with the juices and cured with the acid. This is Kevin's fried pork salad. Never seen one like this before. This has got to be an original. Kevin, you need your own YouTube channel first of all. And you need to be on social media, wherever else you want to go. But these dishes are exceptional. This is a scallop ceviche, and it looks delicious. Here comes some grilled chicken wings with RG Amarilla sauce, and he serves it on the side, a little lime on the side. This is the RG Amarilla peppers, so they look just like the sauce. Good job, Kevin. Good job. So this is a picture Kevin sent me, and he's growing a banana tree inside his office. I tried that growing a banana tree in a pot once, and it kept falling over. I sent him a picture and I was laughing. A banana tree inside his office. I'm telling you. This guy needs to move to a tropical country. Most likely Jamaica, right? We would give him a citizenship of Jamaica. I told him the other day. Anyway, Kevin is into Jamaica more than I am. He has 1,700 rocksteady reggae type songs on Spotify. Yeah, on Spotify. And he sent me a list and I was listening to them. I got lost in the music because some of them are from when I was growing up. Yeah. So that's to tell you about Kevin. But here's Kevin working hard at cooking some food for his friends, and he goes to his friends and family and clients and cook and serve, and here they are enjoying the meal. And guys, Kevin is a realtor out there in Chicago. So if you're looking for a building, a house, an apartment, anything in Chicago, just post below. I'll put you in touch with him, okay? So the other day I got a message from Kevin that he's going to a text. He's going to watch the Copa games tonight or something. So I had to Google it and found out that the Copa games was a game between Mexico and Jamaica being held in Houston, Texas. So I asked him if he was going, and he said no, he's going to watch it in his backyard or something, or on his television. But this is the picture that Kevin sent me. You are too much, Kevin. You are too much. Kevin is wearing, in case you're not looking, a Jamaica hat, a Jamaica t-shirt, and wait a minute, look at this. Yeah, it's coming. Ta-da! A Jamaica flag team socks. No, I have never seen a Jamaica flag socks yet, but Kevin found it. And I asked him about it. He said he found it when he had it since he went to Jamaica. I don't know how long ago, but he has had some of these since he went to Jamaica. I tell you how much he's into Jamaica now. I tell you, look at a socks. Do you have a socks? Do you have a socks like Jamaican flag? I don't have one. I know some of you have crazy things. I have a big scarf like Jamaican flag and so on and so forth. Anyway, I love him. I love you, Kevin. I love what you do. And Kevin, you told me you're not on any social media. And guess what? Haha, you're now on social media. You are on YouTube, and this is just the beginning. Start your own YouTube cooking channel right now, okay? Guys, could you please post below and let Kevin know that we really appreciate him. Thank you. Guys, meet Maggie. Oh, Maggie's a golden retriever. This is Marine's and Kevin's dog. And he's so cute. He hides under the table, trying to find food. And there's a little snippet of a video right here where he's under the table trying to get some of the food. Here he is. Yeah, he's looking for food and eating. Yeah, a really beautiful golden retriever. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. It took me a long time, but I enjoyed doing it. Kevin, I hope you liked the video. Please post below and ask your family to post whatever they think of it, okay? Thanks for allowing me to do this for you and for myself. I appreciate it. Enjoy, guys, and don't forget, if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. And guys, the background music you're listening to, that's what Kevin requested. He likes the old-time rocksteady reggae type music. He's young, but he's like an old soul. If you grow something different or cook something different or just cook anything and you'd like me to feature you on my channel, please contact me. I'll do that, after you send me some nice pictures and or videos. I love doing this, and this is a new feature I have. This is the second one on the channel. The next one I'm gonna feature, the next person is Duke. And Duke cooks Thai food, grows Thai peppers, sent me a lot of seeds and stuff, and I'm gonna feature some of his dishes. Coming for you, Duke. All right?